I want to share with you the top 5 secrets of the top powerful connectors. Hi, I'm Itzik Amiel. I spend my time helping people make more money by harnessing the powerful relationship and becoming the number one choice for what they do. So secret number 1 of a powerful connector is their centers of influence. They are the one that introduce you loads of great people to boost and grow your business. They act as the hub of connections, and they always find great reasons to connect with other people. The second thing is they uncover the pain. They are good at uncovering from others what I call the 4 P's: pain, problems, plans, and projects. And when they find out about that, they know how to connect you to the right people that can help. The third secret is that they are great at keeping in touch. They found touch points with other people. It could be offline, dropping in and saying hello, or online with email, by phone, or text messaging. They are great at staying connected so that you are front of mind and you are there when they want to touch with you. The fourth thing that they are looking for is to expand the network. They know that a strong and diverse network gives them a much better playing field to people to introduce to each other and grow the business. That's the way it works, so always be looking to expand your business. And the fifth thing is about powerful connectors is that they tell great stories. You enjoy being around them since they are fun and they know how to tell great stories. So if you could learn and practice each of these secrets and make it into your own habits, you too, you'll be a great, powerful connector.